Okay, Matthew, feed the bird.
Feed the bird.
Don't jump, puppy. Don't jump.
Don't jump. Look at me.
Look at AJ.
Okay? Don't jump.
He's gonna jump.
He's just there.
Don't jump.
Watch me, okay? Easy. Just like that. Let's go.
Very good. Say hi. Matthew. Hi, Matthew. Over here, look. Matthew! You scare all of them, puppy. Party over. He's mad now. Go ahead, throw it, puppy. Now watch he don't jump when he throws it. He's like, where did they go? They're gonna come when he leaves. Stop telling him that. Mommy's telling Matthew that they're gonna eat his huevos, the birds. Matthew, throw it. Do you gotta focus? Oh, they're all the way down there. That's why he's throwing it over there. You finished? Uh-oh. You finished, Matthew. Matthew, they coming? Look at mommy. Wait, let him. Go ahead. Matthew, look at me. They coming? Yeah. There you go. There you go. The last breath he didn't throw. He didn't jump. Uh oh, Matthew. Oh shit.
Mommy, how you doing this?
Can you wait a minute?